Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Splunk Enterprise 9.4 on Oracle Linux. Open any web browser, then go to Splunk official website, that is splunk.com. Then click on products. See here we have the free trials and downloads. Click on it. Then click on this get my free trial. Then we have to register. After that we will get the verification email. Once we click on this create your account, we will receive email. Like this we will receive email. Then we have to click on verify your email, or we have to click on this link. Either is fine. After that we have to log in. I have already created, so click on login. Then we will be able to download the Splunk Enterprise. Then see here we have the Splunk for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Okay, so click on Linux. For Oracle Linux, we have to download this RPM package. So click on download now. See, wait a moment, it will be downloaded. See, download started and its size is 1.2 gigabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install it. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the Splunk 9.4 RPM file. We have to install this one. Sudo rpm-ivh, then give Splunk, give the tab to autofill entire RPM file name and hit enter. See, installation is completed. Then click on resources. Then click on documentation. Then click on Splunk Enterprise. Then click on installation media, installation manual. Okay. Then click on install Splunk Enterprise on Linux. Then install on Linux. Scroll down. See here we have completed these two steps. See, we have completed these steps. Now we have to start the Splunk Enterprise. Okay, click on this start Splunk Enterprise for the first time. Go to Linux section. See here we have to go to this directory, that is cd/opt ls. See here we have the Splunk. Enter ls. See here we have the Splunk related files. Now go to ls. See here we have the Splunk files. Now start it /.splunk start. Hit enter. See, this is the license agreement. Just press spacebar until you get 100%. Then type S and hit enter. Again type Y, not S. See, cannot create because I have to give sudo. Hit enter. Again give the spacebar until you get 100%. Type and hit enter. Now we have to create the administrator username. I am giving administrator username as Splunk admin. Hit enter. Then provide the password for this admin username, that is Splunk admin. So give the password. Confirm the same. See, we have successfully installed and it is started, and this is the port number. So copy this one to connect. Right click, copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Then give username as Splunk admin that we have given. This is in my case. In your case, whatever you have given, give those username and password. Then click on, then sign in. Not now. See, we have successfully connected to Splunk console. Bookmarks, dashboard, etc. options are there. Here, see here, search and reporting, audit trail, Splunk secure gateway, upgrade readiness app, etc. information is there. If you want to change the password, go to here, account settings. Otherwise, see, if you want to change password, you have to provide the current password, new password. Again, you have to confirm the new password. Okay. So, if you want to provide email for this admin account, you have to provide. And if you want to give the full name, you can give. But username is same, Splunk admin. Settings. See here, we have the also users. Add data, explore data, monitoring console. If you want to create user, you have to click on users. See, this is the user that we have created. If you want to create user, you have to click on new user. Okay. So, if you want to stop Splunk, just give the sudo, then give the stop. Hit enter. See, it is stopping Splunk D, but we don't have any service with Splunk D. If you refresh, it won't work. See, unable to connect. Why? Because Splunk is stopped. Again, if you want to connect, you have to start it. Hit enter. Now reload the page. Now we will get the login console. Okay. Here we connected with loopback IP. We can also connect with localhost. Then give the port number 8000. Hit enter. We will get the login console. See, okay. Even we can also connect with IP. ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Let me copy it. New tab. Paste it. With the port number 8000. Hit enter. See, we got the login console. Okay. So we have successfully installed and connected to Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Oracle Linux. Okay. So go to home directory, cd, home directory, cd, downloads, ls. This file is not required because we have successfully installed. So remove this one, Splunk, rm, give Splunk, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name and hit enter. ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Splunk Enterprise 9.4 on Oracle Linux. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel.